Hi everyone, my name is Leah Crown. I'm the Director of Health and Human Services for the City of Meriden. It is time for our weekly social media question and answer video. Thank you for your questions. This week we received 3. As you are aware, COVID-19 continues to be a rapidly changing situation. It seems like our guidance documents are changing daily. The answers to your questions are based on Center for Disease Control and Prevention guidance, Governor's executive orders, and disease knowledge as of June 9th, 2020. So our first question is regarding out-of-state travel. Is it advisable to travel out of state? So the CDC has extensive guidance on travel, both in the US and abroad, on their website. COVID-19 cases and deaths have been reported in all 50 states, and the situation is constantly changing. Because travel increases your chances of getting infected and spreading COVID-19, staying home is the best way to protect yourself and others from getting sick. If you are considering traveling this summer, please ask yourself a couple of questions before you make your travel plans. One, is COVID-19 spreading where you're going? You can get infected while traveling. Will you or those you are traveling with be within 6 feet of others during your trip? Being within 6 feet of others increases your chances of getting infected and infecting others. Are you or those you are traveling with more likely to get very ill from COVID-19? Older adults and people of any age who have serious underlying medical conditions are at higher risk for severe illness from COVID-19. Do you live with someone who is more likely to get very ill from COVID-19? If you get infected while traveling, you can spread COVID-19 to loved ones when you return, even if you do not have symptoms. Does the state or local government where you live or at your destination require you to stay at home for 14 days after traveling? Some state and local governments may require people who have recently traveled to stay home for 14 days. Connecticut currently does not have this quarantine unless you have had a known exposure while traveling. If you had a known exposure to someone with COVID-19 while traveling, you will need to stay home for 14 days upon your return. If you get sick with COVID-19, will you have to miss work or school? People with COVID-19 disease need to stay home until they are no longer considered infectious. This can be anywhere from 10 to 10 plus days, depending case by case. If you have more questions regarding travel, I highly recommend visiting the CDC webpage. There is, again, extensive guidance on that webpage for even specific modes of travel, such as air, car, and train. Our second question, will mass testing be available in the near future? COVID-19 testing is available in the City of Meriden. As of today, both Midstate Medical Center and the Community Health Center both offer testing. For the drive-through testing at Midstate, which is located on Lewis Avenue, you are encouraged to have a doctor's referral to obtain a test. This will expedite the process. If you do not have a doctor, please call Hartford Healthcare's 24/7 hotline at 860-972-8100 and they can help you obtain a test. Testing at Midstate is available daily between 8 and 4 o'clock. Community Health Center recently announced that they are now testing the general population for COVID-19 Monday through Friday from 9 to 1 o'clock. You do not have to be a patient of CHC in order to get a test there. No doctor's order is needed in advance. They can write the order on site. Both those with and without symptoms can be tested, and test results are available in 2 to 3 days. Drive-through and walk-up is available. CHC in Meriden is located at 134 State Street. Please call their testing hotline at 475-241-0740 to make an appointment. CVS also has 25 testing locations across our state. Those who wish to go to a CVS testing site must register in advance at www.cvs.com. People can also call Infoline 211 for a complete list of testing sites in Connecticut. Our third question, when will the city's playgrounds reopen? So our office is working closely with the Department of Parks and Recreation on a reopening plan for the city's playgrounds. We want to ensure that we develop a plan to reduce as much risk as possible. When they are ready to reopen, the date and guidelines will be posted on the city COVID-19 webpage, as well as our social media accounts. So thank you all again for your questions. I should mention that this is going to be our last social media question and answer video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to your local health department. Our phone number is 203-630-4226, or you can email me at lcrown, LCROWN, @meridenct.gov. Thank you, everyone, and be well.